Hello friends, today we are going to talk about what are LLMs and what can they do. LLM is called a foundation model or a general purpose model. It stands for large language model. An LLM is a sophisticated AI system. Today in the market, we have lots of LLMs available. We have ChatGPT from OpenAI, we have Gemini from Google as well as Cloud from Anthropic. You can ask LLM just about anything and get a good response. When you ask LLM a question, it is known as a prompt. LLM comes under the category of generative AI because it is a system that can create content. LLM can be multimodal, which means an LLM can create sound, images, videos, as well as a text content for you. What are prompts? The prompt is a natural language request that instructs the LLM to generate a response. The quality of the prompt determines the quality of the response. A prompt can include instructions, questions, contextual information, as well as examples. LLM understand and interpret the prompt. How LLM works. LLMs are highly sophisticated and require a strong understanding of NLP, data science, as well as maths. LLMs are trained on massive amount of data such as Wikipedia, Reddit articles, online publications, computer code, and so on. You can also train it on a private data such as company emails, customer feedback, customer support tickets, Slack messages, as well as intranet website to fine tune your LLMs. With all this data, LLM will typically use a transformer model for the training. This is an advanced deep learning technique. LLMs can predict the next word in a sequence based on the context provided by all the preceding words. LLM will then keep predicting the next word until it's finished. How LLM works? Say this process uses GPU, which can handle huge amount of data in parallel. During training, the model learns parameters or variables that capture the statistical patterns and relationship within the data. In market, we have two types of LLMs available: closed source LLMs as well as open source LLMs. ChatGPT, Gemini, and Cloud are known as closed source LLMs or proprietary LLMs. Proprietary LLMs do not disclose the weights and parameters of the model. You all can access these using a REST API or via an API call. While open source LLMs provide access to the source code. Llama 2, Bloom, BERT, and Mistral are open source LLMs. What task LLM can accomplish? First, writing. You can use LLMs for creating blogs, articles, tweets, and emails. You can craft the prompt to indicate the type of tone you want or the length of the content. For example, a prompt can be draft an email introducing a new team member to your colleagues. The tone should be welcoming yet formal with a length of 200 to 300 words. Language translation. LLMs can translate the text from one language to the language of your choice. For example, a prompt can be describe the limitation of LLMs and we can instruct it like translate the text into French language. Third, summarize information. LLMs are also good at summarizing information, but keep in mind that there is a context window. What is context window? The maximum number of tokens for prompt and the response is both. Context window depends upon the model. For example, in Gemini, it is 1 lakh tokens, and for GPT-4 Turbo, it can have up to 1,28,000 tokens. Fourth, coding. LLMs are pretty good at writing code. You can refactor the code and even create unit tests for the code. This can be done using many languages, even obscure ones like COBOL. A prompt could be develop a React program that creates a to-do list. Users should be able to add, delete, and mark tasks as completed with the list saved in the local storage. We understand what is LLMs, how it works, and what task it can accomplish. If you like it, Please like my video and subscribe to my channel.